Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to look at how to write an explicit formula for a sequence. And we're going to look at arithmetic and geometric sequence in this video. So let's begin. So I talked about this in a previous video, one video for each. This is the arithmetic sequence formula over here on the left. And this is the geometric sequence formula over here on the right. So what you're going to do with these problems is determine whether it's an arithmetic or a geometric sequence, and then just write the formula in for the answer. So let's take a look at our first example. So in our first example, it says write an explicit formula for a sub n, the nth term of the sequence, right? And then the sequence is 38, 44, and 50. All right, so it has a sub n over here on the left. You're just going to write the formula part, the part on the right, in here for the answer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is determine whether it is a arithmetic, which means you add the same number every time, or geometric, which means you multiply the same number. So you got to find the common difference or the common ratio. So we're going to start by looking for the common difference. So to do that, we're going to do the second term minus the first term, and the third term minus the second term. So the second term, 44 minus 38 is equal to 6, and 50 minus 44. You're going to do both of these here, and you'll look and see that the answer is the same. So if the answer is the same when you're trying to find the common difference, then it's an arithmetic sequence. Okay, it's this one over here on the left. All right, so the next thing we'll do is just plug in everything except for the n and into the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so I plugged in the 38, which is the first term, and the 6, which is the common difference. And you see that here, 38 here and 6 here. Okay. Now the next thing I do is just go ahead and type it into the space here. And as soon as you put that in there, you got your answer. All right, let's take a look at another example. Okay, here it says write an explicit formula for a sub n, the nth term of the sequence. So we got 4, 12, and 36. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on the last one. I'm going to check to see if it's an arithmetic sequence. So I'm going to take the 12 minus 4 and the 36 minus 12. It's a second minus the first term, and then the third minus the second. Now here you see that you got 8 and 24. It's not the same number. So that means it's not arithmetic. So now we're going to check to see if it's geometric and find the common ratio. So for the common ratio here, we're going to do the second divided by the first. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And then the third divided by the second, 36 divided by 12 is 3. So we know that it's a geometric sequence. So we're going to use this formula over here on the right. All right, so now we're going to plug in those values. Okay, we're going to make your formula look like this. And we plug it in the first term. Oh, I didn't highlight that. Well, we plug it in the first term here, which is 4, and for a sub 1, and plug it in the second term, or sorry, the common ratio, 3 here. And then we're just going to type that up. We're going to type that in right here. And that's it. That is how you write an explicit formula for a geometric and arithmetic sequence. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.